Hey, online shoppers, let's get real for a minute. Have you seen ads for Faithway Collective, Rooted in Faith, or any of those faith-branded shops that flood your Facebook feed? Before you click that buy button, I want to give you a quick but honest update for 2026. So what's the deal? Well, Faithway Collective paints itself as a faith-based retailer, but hundreds of customers are sounding the alarm. On Trustpilot, Facebook, and everywhere in between, the complaints just keep piling up. Let's talk red flags. First, a lot of shoppers say they paid for products that never showed up. Zero tracking, zero delivery, just a disappearing act. And here's the kicker. Some people thought they were buying a single book, only to get hit with surprise monthly charges, usually around $29, for a subscription they never agreed to. Now, for those who actually received something, the quality is usually a letdown. Think blurry stickers instead of engraved jewelry, flimsy packaging, and nothing like the ads. Try to get your money back? Good luck. Most report being ignored or offered tiny partial refunds, all while the company blames processing costs. One last warning. Don't confuse Faithway Collective with real faith-based organizations. There's the Faith Collective connected to Andrew Wommack Ministries and other legit nonprofits. Totally different story. Bottom line, Faithway Collective shows every sign of being a dropshipping scam or a shady subscription trap. If a deal looks too good to be true, especially from an aggressive Facebook ad, trust your gut, protect your wallet, and your faith. Thanks for listening, stay smart, and shop safe out there.